In times like these, in times like those, what will be, and so it goes. And it always goes on and on and on and on and on, on and on and on and on and on it goes. Always been laughing, crying, birthing, dying, boys and girls with hearts that take a give and break, and heal and grow and recreate and raise and nurture, but then hurt from time to times like these. In time